One of the ways you can watch your recorded lecture is to view the live web stream right from the classroom as it is being taught. This service is available to anyone at no charge. If you go to our streaming page at the time the class is being held and select the classroom it is being taught from, you can see it all happen in real time. Not sure when and where your course is held? There's a handy search tool on the stream page. At that time, click the room and see what is going on in the classroom right now. When you use the live stream, remember that you can't catch up on lectures you missed, and you can only rewind and fast forward for a short time within the lecture. The stream is subject to internet issues outside of Carleton's control. So, if you miss a lecture, you can catch up afterward by viewing it at no charge in the Student Center located in D299 Loeb, or by renting an individual lecture.